I'm not going to do this, so I'm not going to clean this all up today, or right now, but we'll clean this up tonight and get this all set up and situated. Oh, some of this is stone. Because it was cobblestone, right? So yeah, we'll get this fully cleaned up tonight. I hate how it's all the same texture. So it's hard to figure out what the actual texture is supposed to be and what I'm supposed to be breaking. But today we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some more just looting and searching around town. Checking out some cool POIs, maybe some high-level POIs. Things like that. Especially with our new spear, we should definitely be able to clear some high-level POIs. I'm going to make sure to bring some repair kits with us because we're going to need them. And I'm also going to work on grabbing some steel and breaking apart some cars that we come across because I need car parts and things like that. We finished a few challenges last night before the horde. Where am I going? There am I going. We finished a few challenges last night before the horde, so we're gonna get a couple of quest rewards from Jen. So we'll see if maybe we get anything good. But unfortunately, she doesn't have anything for us. The main reason we're not going to the desert is because it's like 2 kilometers away, and I don't have a mini bike. I want the mini bike before I head to the desert. Vehicle books, let's take those. We'll take the 7.62 ammo, and I want to trade with you. Yeah, Jen, we had a horde, and my base got destroyed, so yeah, I'm feeling a little rough. Feeling a little rough. How about you? How'd you hold out with the horde? She doesn't really have anything else for us to buy at the moment. If anything, probably some armored up books. But we bought all of the all of the steel that she had. She does have some rifle parts.
Trader Jen's got you covered.
Right? Did I see that right? She does.
I just knew you'd find something you like.
So, with those rifle parts, we're gonna need to get some steel. And that's something we can do throughout the day. We actually can upgrade our perception mastery. Perception mastery, no. Salvage specialist. Harvest steel from cars, guns, safes, and shopping carts. So we're going to put a point into there, a point into there, and a point into spear mastery. And this way, as we're breaking apart cars, we might be able to get some steel. We might be able to get some extra steel. 2 vehicle books. We need 2 more to get the mini bike. Even if we do get the mini bike, say we get it today, we're not going to head to the desert until after next horde night. I need to refine this base before I try it at a harder location. Because this is basically the base that we're going to be working with throughout like most of this series or the rest of this series. So yeah, I need to refine this base before we use it in the desert when zombies are even harder. So let's just go and like start taking apart cars, get the car parts that we need, maybe some steel. We'll see if this works. We need to repair our bike. It is in bad shape. Alright, after taking apart that police car, I realized I should upgrade my wrench. So I ran back home and got what I needed to craft a wrench, and I'm currently crafting it in my inventory instead of waiting for it in the workbench. I'm not going to be doing any additional crafting, so I shouldn't really need to do anything besides make this wrench. Hopefully I can picklock this car. I don't know if I'm going to bother breaking into it if I can't pick the car. A level 2 pistol, which is nice. We've got a couple buildings over there we'll actually just run into while we wait out, and we'll probably leapfrog from building to building while we're waiting out the storm. Hopefully we can get this broken down before the storm starts. Hopefully we can get into that building before the storm starts. These storms are dumb. To be honest, I shouldn't have to stay inside. I should be able to explore more. I don't know. That's what equipment is for. Like, that's what gear is for. Is to be able to go out during a storm. I'm gonna scrap that wrench. Now I just gotta sit here and wait for this storm to end. It's boring. I want to do stuff. Another vehicle book, which is nice. We only need one more now to get the mini bike. It'd be better if we had... I know I'm saying I want the mini bike before we go to the desert, but it would honestly be better if we had the motorcycle for the desert, so we'll see what happens. Not even worried about it. Alright, is the storm gonna end soon? Like, I'm just stuck in this building for way too long. Storm's over. Cool. Yeah, this update's just not great, to be honest. This storm update is just, it's not the best. Let's check this place out. Electrical traps, tech planet. I'm just gonna read everything that I have right now. Come on, vehicle book. You got an engine. I don't think that counts for the harvest though. But this getting steel from cars, this is great. This is great. I'm gonna be able to get the steel I need to make my new weapon. I'm happy about this. All right, let's go through here and see if there's anything we can get. Why did all the textures go dark? What the hell happened? That's weird. Alright, let's just not do that place then. Now, I'll admit, I've been playing this for 7 hours today. Hopefully the RAM requirements for this game have not increased. I don't know what that was. I don't know why that happened. Just gonna scrap that. I wanted to go through that POI, but I couldn't look at it. Another rifle book. Alright, let's look at this. Which one was it? It's this one. We need one more battery and, yeah, 2 more engines. I had a feeling that finding an engine didn't count as harvesting an engine, which is honestly dumb. Raise construction. I need one more book. I need one more book to make the mini bike. I'm not searching any loot containers for that book though, so that makes sense as to why I'm not getting it, but I mean, this finding steel in cars is fantastic. I'm at 33 steel already. I should be able to make a bolt-action rifle. Where you at? Where you at? Steve. Like, the game has been running a little rough today. Sometimes when I was chopping down trees, it wouldn't register that the tree was fully chopped down. Or it would register the tree was chopped down, but the tree wouldn't fall, so... I think maybe I'm just playing the game too long. Which is why things are running a little rough. I don't know. Let's see, because it's also supposed to be steal from shopping carts? Yeah, steal from shopping carts. That's just crazy. That's crazy. I'm thirsty. I didn't bring anything else to drink. Just that one. That was dumb. Alright, let's run home real quick and drop stuff off. Before we're gonna do this pass and gas. Pass and gas. Words. Words. And probably do the Savage Country after. Alright, let's get through this passing gas. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a car book. Probably not, because for some reason you don't get car books from cars and from car shops. Oh shit. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Car book. 2 sticks books. And an iron spear level 1. I'm not gonna get an engine from that, so I'm not gonna break it apart. Come on, car book. No, tools. Tools. In a car box, I get tools. At least give me workstation or some shit like that, man. Like, come on. Take that workstation book. Why were there 2 cops in here, man? 2 cops. One of the early times that me and my friends played this, we turned this place, that was our last car book. We turned this place into our horde base, and we were playing on the Navezgane map. We weren't playing on a custom map. And I don't think it had it here, but on the Navezgane map, there's a billboard that says 99-cent fish sticks. And so that's what we called this place. We didn't call it like the gas station. We called it 99-cent fish sticks. So, yeah. It was a good time. It was a good time. I need to find a way to get back out. How much health does this thing have? If I just break it. Just gonna break it all the way. Why not? Get the extra stuff for it. Oh, it's bikes around the front. Alright, let's make our way through 99-cent fish sticks. Yeah, it doesn't have the billboard here, but in Navezgane it does, and it's great. If I see dead bodies, I gotta loot them. Or I gotta harvest them. Jesus! Oh my god. That one guy got me. He scared me so much. They changed this. There was never a button here before. He ate all the 99-cent fish sticks, didn't he? Salvage operations. Alright. Just gonna let them do their thing. Yeah, just let them do their thing. We're gonna make our way through and finish this place off real quick. Ah, boy. They think they're gonna be able to get me, but they can't. They can't. This breaks. Oh, God. I didn't know it broke that fast. Oh, boy. This is what happens when you play this game for like 7 hours in one day. 8 hours in one day. Sent him flying. Ooh, thanks for the loot bag. No, we don't need the painkillers. Handyland. Scrapping the pipes because we don't need them right now. And just getting rid of that so that there's no more bag. High-powered 9mm. Is that burning, Ashley? Yes. There's a hidden stash back here. I think it's a burning Ashley. Feral Ashley. Hidden stash. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Why was I going backwards? Why are there so many... So many ferals? Oh, this is a level 4. I didn't realize this was a level 4. That's why there's so many ferals. Attack junkie. Robotic sledge, tier 1. Maybe we should start putting together some finding robotic parts. Salvage. Handy. Tools. Let's see, how many lockpicks do we have? Can we break through this? before the zombies get to us. Let's see. 2 more, 3 more tries, 2 more tries, 1 more try. Good. What's this? Athletic hat, fitness item buying? That's dumb. Fisticuffs, let's get rid of that. Let's use that. Let's get rid of those. Let's scrap that and that, and we should be able to grab everything else. Alright. Let's go home. I know I said we would probably do Savage Country, but we've got everything we need to make the mini bike at least. And we might be able to make a new bolt action rifle. And our armor's weak, and we're over encumbered, so let's just head home. I know this is probably a quick one, but I'm going to head home and I'm going to start crafting the new bolt action rifle. I'm going to start crafting the mini bike and things like that. And I'm going to sort my inventory, and I'm going to start working on repairing the horde base. And hopefully we can get it in a good shape for next horde. If we can get what we need for electrical parts to be able to make traps, that would be fantastic. That's what I'm hoping for, is to be able to make traps. Once we have, excuse me, I had like a little bit of a burp there. Once we have trap stuff and electrical traps, we're set. We're set. Game over. This base is gonna work. Even blade traps would be good for underneath where I put the spike traps at. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort my inventory, put everything away, and set things up to get it ready for crafting everything we need to craft. If you guys like what you saw, please do me a huge favor, hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos, and leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks. I respond to all comments back. Be sure to check me out live on Twitch and YouTube Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, where I live play pretty much anything that I feel like playing, or live stream, not live play, live stream pretty much anything I feel like playing. And yeah, check out the other videos I release on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. I'm gonna sort my inventory, figure things out, and I will check in with you guys next time. Thank you so much. Please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always hug your loved ones, and of course, like always, be sure to wear mismatched socks. See you all in the next one.